Why does your scanner show the P0990 engine code? What does it mean? P0990 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch E circuit high. The P0990 engine code indicate the vehicle's computer has detected an abnormally high voltage reading from the specific pressure sensor responsible for monitoring hydraulic fluid pressure in the transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring damage, pressure sensor failure, low or dirty fluid, short circuit, control module fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jaguar, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.